to the Swazzle Puppet Studio. I'm Sean.
And I'm Patrick. In this video, we'll show you how you can bring your puppet project to life by using Swazzle's custom rental puppets.
Let's get started. If you're producing a puppet YouTube video, commercial, or live show, and you're looking for the fastest and most economical way to get puppets to the stage or screen, consider using Swazzle's custom rental puppets.
Swazzle's custom rental puppets are professional quality blank puppets that can be customized for your needs.
While a custom puppet could take weeks to design or build, our custom rental puppets can be ready to ship in a matter of days. We can accomplish this quick turnaround because we start with our wide variety of Swazzle base puppets.
We also have a huge selection of eyes and noses.
We can even make custom features, add wigs, and make custom costumes.
Here's how it works. Begin by visiting Swazzle.com. Click on the Rental Puppets link and fill out the Request Custom Puppet Rental Quote form.
This form will give us some basic information about you and some detailed information about your project.
Make sure to check the boxes to tell us which puppets you're interested in.
Our base puppets are rented by the day. Custom items like faces, wigs, and costumes are available for an additional one-time fee.
We'll send you a quote based on your needs. Once it's approved, the agreement has been signed, and the invoice has been paid, the real fun can begin.
There are 3 steps to creating Swazzle's custom rental puppets: puppet design, custom feature creation, and puppet assembly.
Let's talk about the first step, puppet design. We can create rental puppets from inspirational images, photos, or descriptions, or we can create an illustrated design for an additional fee.
Let's pretend that a client needs 2 Swazzle custom rental puppets for a one-day production that shoots in 2 weeks.
The client has selected the Blair and Nell puppets.
The description provided by the client says that these 2 puppets are customers waiting in line at a local coffee shop. Blair is a college student on her way to class,
and Nell is a regular customer looking for his morning pick-me-up.
The client opted for the illustrated design. So, using the character descriptions and the selected puppets, we came up with these.
These designs give the client an idea of what the final puppet will look like, and it gives them the opportunity to weigh in with any feedback.
Once the puppet designs are approved, we can start step 2.
Custom feature creation. To create the desired look, we will make and gather the facial features, wigs, and costumes.
Once all the puppet designs are ready, we can start step 3.
Puppet assembly. And there you have it. 2 Swazzle custom rental puppets, all ready to ship.
By the way, if you happen to fall in love with your rental puppet, it could be yours.
That's right. If you're interested, we'll offer you a purchase price. We'll even put the money you paid for the rental toward the final price of the puppet.
If you decide not to keep your custom rental creation, just ship the puppet back, and we'll disassemble it for the next client.
Hey, look! Someone needs 4 puppets by Friday.
No problem.
Well, there you have it. That's how Swazzle can create custom rental puppets for your production.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the Swazzle Puppet Studio. Goodbye!